I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. On this channel, we help you maximize with Doordash. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of the orders that I take. I've recently increased my acceptance rate, and let me tell you, I've been seeing some great offers. If you want to see some high-paying orders and you want to know how to get the best orders on Doordash, go ahead and watch this video. But before we get into it, do me a favor, hit that like button and the subscribe button. And look, I want to warn you, if you miss anything that I show you in this video, it may be the reason you don't earn more money on DoorDash. Let's get right into it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, first order of the day today, we did a $5.25 Jack in the Box, and then they gave me a stack as soon as I got there, an additional $5 to pick up an order from, what was there? I picked up Jack in the Box, then I picked up something drive-through. Wasn't it drive-through? I don't even remember, but 2 DoorDash orders to start the day off, and then I got an Uber Eats order. That one came in at $11 by itself. So you know I had to go ahead and knock that out. And now, bag rip. Now we on order number 3 on DoorDash, which is a shop and deliver at Aldi's. 30-something items, $27 going 5 miles. All day long, I'm taking that. So we on this order right now. And this is the first hour and a half of the day. And we already finna be over $50. And that's not even the best part. When I dropped off that second part of that DoorDash order, oh yeah, I remember it was Hawaiian Bros. I remember that. Lady straight gave me an $8 tip. So we did 2 $5 orders on DoorDash, $10 right there, $8 cash tip that brings us up to $18. Then I did the Uber order. It was made it to our delivery destination. No problem. I was making sure. I'm like, is this 22?
I don't have house numbers. Thank you.
All good. I got you. All right, made it to our destinations. Get all these orders dropped off. This is why you need to start doing those shopping delivers. We getting paid $24 for easy work. Took us about 20 minutes to shop this order, and that's only because I'm not familiar with my Aldi's. But guess what? I will be getting familiar with it. That's for sure. All right, drop off bag number 1, 2, and 3. Take my picture real quick. That way I can be in position to get my next order. And I think I heard Uber Eats order going off. Let's go ahead and have a look at that real quick. Lots of Uber Eats orders coming through on the phone. Nothing that's looking good, but it's good to see that it's orders out there. They sent me one $14 for 15 miles. Not gonna be taking that. Then they sent me another one, $8 for 9 miles. And again, not the worst order in the world, but not for me. I'm gonna go ahead and have to leave it alone. Now we are sitting at $55 for the first hour and a half using DoorDash and using Uber Eats. At $6.25 for 3.9. I'm gonna go ahead and snatch that, keep these wheels rolling. Already over $55. This one right here gonna put me at 60. Hold on now, we got an Uber Eats order coming through. No dice on the Uber Eats order. That one came in at $13, 12 miles. Not for me. If it works for you, more power to you. But we're going to just keep it moving with this $6.25 for 3.9. And really, it's less than that because it called me back right as I was at my last delivery address. So it's not really 3.9. Next order on the tally, we got $7.69 for 3.5. Right here at Wingstop. Checking in at that chicken spot where they got that chicken hot. Stop playing with me. Now I'm about to slide up in here, see if they let me grab. That real quick. Now I know they be wanting me to confirm that order once I grab it, but I'm recording on this phone, so they're gonna have to bear with me. I'm FDA out here. But they have been pretty quick though getting them orders out. So I gotta give them their props though. Shout out to Wingstop.
From next door.
Who you picking up?
I'm not picking up. I'm delivering.
We are currently en route to drop off that shop and deliver. As you can see, only 3 items on that order, 3 packs of eggs, and I actually dropped one of them. I had to go ahead and double back and replace that case of eggs that I dropped so that the customer won't have to report any damaged items or anything like that. Now, shop and delivers on DoorDash are gonna pay you more than Walmart Spark, than Instacart, than all the major competitors, guys. Look, if nothing else, take the advice, get them shopping delivers, stop being, forced to do a hell week at the end of the month. It's the end of the month now. I ain't doing no hell week, but I'm doing these shopping delivers. As long as they fit my parameters, I'm trying to get as many as I can knocked out so I can put myself in the best position possible to get that dash now and be able to get the best orders in my market at any given time. And the crazy part is, the shop and delivers are the best orders in my market. So it works out perfectly. I'm doing the shop and delivers, making the best money possible at the given time right now. And then on top of that, I'm putting myself in a better position to not only get dash now and be able to hop on the platform at any time I choose to, or even when it's not busy. Not only am I doing that, I'm also setting myself up to start to get prioritized dash now shop and deliver orders. See, this is what you got to realize. Once you gain you some priority on shop and delivers, then you finna start seeing some really big payouts. All the shop and deliver orders I've done this week have been high base pay for one, perfect miles to money ratio. But the thing is, I haven't seen any with a plus sign on it. And I know they out here. Situations where you can get shop and delivers and they'll have a plus sign. And it's also another situation when it comes to shop and delivers where you can make additional money on top of that shopping order. Let me give you an example. Say you get an order, but it comes through as a stack. They can send you a shop and deliver and a food delivery order at the same time. And a lot of times what will happen is you'll get sent a shop and deliver order and a food delivery order because the customer will not only place some items from a grocery store, but they'll place a food delivery order too that need to be picked up. So you want to make sure you're out there maximizing, guys. Shop and deliver is the way to go in 2023. Ain't no reason in these days with all the stuff we see, high acceptance rate this, cherry pick that, is no reason we shouldn't be taking advantage of these opportunities when we can make it easier for ourselves in the future. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Look, I can easily make $100 a day. You know, that's not the issue. The thing is, how easier can I make that $100 a day if I'm consistently seeing orders that are paying over $20 for under 5 miles? And that's the name of the game. Just imagine this. On an average, you do about what? 10 to 15 Doordash orders per day, right? We're just gonna talk about Doordash right now. Let's say out of those 10 to 15 orders per day that you do, you seeing $20 plus 18, 19, low mileage. That's gonna really change the game, because last year, it might have been a situation where you had to have a large order program or the pizza bag program or be in the Doordash drive program in order to see those big payouts. But here in 2023, in the future, you can get those same huge payouts on not only stacked deliveries, you know, your occasional extra generous customer, but now you can see those big payouts, big base pay on shop and delivers, guys. So I can't stress it enough. Get you a red card, activate that thing, put yourself in a position where you can maximize. Go ahead, post up at your local Walgreens, your CVS. See, they tried to play me. They trying to mess up my video now. Look, post up at your local CVS, your pharmacy spots, your grocery spots. Here in the St. Louis region, we got a spot called Snooks. It's a local joint, but they be banging. Them shop and deliver orders come through on DoorDash, knock them out. Next up, we got $5.75 for 3 miles. I was finna take that one, but I said I don't want to drive 3 miles away again. I want something paying a little bit higher and keeping me a little bit closer. Or at least paying me something higher and doing about the same amount of mileage. But we didn't get that. Next one came through after that, $5.25, 1.7 at Hawaiians. So same dollar amount, but a lot less miles. And it's a possibility for a stack coming out of here. So I like this one a lot better. Next up, we got $10.34 for 2 miles at Papa John's. Getting them pizza orders on Uber Eats. And as soon as they sent me that, DoorDash sent me this $9.75 for 6 miles. Going in the same direction. I wouldn't call that high paying, but it's a stack though. That's a $20 hour. We at Buffalo Wild Wings already. Let's head down, grab that one, then we're gonna go grab the pizza. First Buffalo Wild Wings order in a nice little minute. Probably over a month. I can't remember the last time I've been here. But if they paying good money, I'll go ahead and pick it up. I was actually hoping I get it. This is one of them spots where you can get a stack. Hopefully they got it. All right, order was ready. I just had to get somebody's attention so they go ahead and bring it over to me. Now we finna head on over to the pizza spot where they got that pizza hot. Shout out to Papa John's and my peoples up in there. You know, they like to be controversial, so I mess with them. Hold on, there go the microphone. Let's get it. Time to drop off this Uber Eats pizza order. This money, $10 for 2 miles on this one. Easy money. This is an easy $20 hour right here. Got a $9 Doordash, $10 pizza order.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
We were taking crazy selfies. I hope you saw it.
Have fun.
Thank you.
We making good money today, guys. Got my next 2 orders, $8.65, 3.7 miles. It's like the 3rd time I've been at Hawaiian Bros today. And then DoorDash went on and hooked me up. We got $9.25 for 5 miles coming out of Taco Bell for that taco smell. And they can stack that thing. Let's get it. We pulling up to Taco Bell right now. Sitting at 30 bucks on Uber Eats and 70 bucks on DoorDash. Maximizing. Only been out for 4 hours. Now, it could be a little bit higher, but it's the morning time, man. I'll take $25 an hour in the morning time. We got this last order to drop off, and that's gonna bring our DoorDash total up another $10, bringing us to 80 bucks on DoorDash.